Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Ketenat Boarding James Sangma negasni habai keren mat kinong tho khobor ha office trai kam jungu ula ong ba ka project umngot kalong ka badon kampha na ka benta ka jela ula ong ru ba ka jing den ya ka ne kadam kan yarab ru ya baro kentuk ya kinong song snong kibasong kibasa ha kitu kitain Shushu menteri ula ong ru ba ka sarkar ka kwa banya keren penbek ya ka jing e jong ki Paidbah Bat banyak keren sani bha knamba kanam don kano ke jing bomyas ngotu jingmut ula benrabru da ka baong ba ka sarkar kamdon kata kaban ong ba ngin le da ka bor Hynrei katrang manyo ya ka Jingkyrshan jong ki Paidbah ki ba im ki basa ha kitu ki penta ula ong ru bangin saya keren sani bha bat kitu ki ba ya don bentalang haswa banya chakmat ya ka ne ka project
mentioned about the project. So the project is as has been rightly stated by them, very important for the state because we can generate an additional 110 megawatts additional power. So that is something that I think it's some project of that size would address the shortage of power that is there in the state to a very large extent and would benefit everybody, including the people and the residents who are living in that area. But having said that, we are very considerate of the fact that their concerns, whatever they may be, will be heard by the government, and we want to ensure that all stakeholders are taken on board, and to the best of our abilities, we want to address whatever concerns that they have. And we will be doing that, and we will not we're not in the practice of bulldozing things until unless we have the confidence of the people, especially the stakeholders who are living in and around that region, whose livelihoods depend on be it in terms of tourism, be it in any other things. We will definitely have them on board before we go ahead with it.